I cannot believe how much my daughter's hair has grew in just 2 weeks. I used simple mix of onion, garlic, ginger and pineapple leaf and the results shocked me after removing her protective style. Guys, in today's video I will show you guys exactly how I made this oil and also how I use it to make hot oil treatment and how you can use it to grow your hair faster, shinier and healthy natural hair. So stay tuned with me. Now I grounded or I blended my apple leaf and pineapple leaf, sorry, it's not apple, pineapple leaf, okay, pineapple leaf that I blended now. So now I'm putting it into my bowl, my bottle, the bottle that I'm going to use to make the hot oil treatment. So now while I'm putting it inside, let's check and see the benefit of pineapple leaf. Pineapple leaf is rich in enzymes and also having vitamin C, which is promoting scalp healthy and helping reducing scalp infection, also promoting natural shining to your hair. So now after put my pineapple leaf inside, the next ingredient that I'm doing is my garlic. So let's check and see garlic. Garlic also is fighting scalp infection. It's also improving black flows, strengthening hair, also reducing hair breaking. It contains sulfur and also vitamin C. When you are adding garlic into your routine, is very good. I know some of us we want to use it, but sometimes because of the smell and the onion, that's why some people doesn't want to use it. But when you start using these things, you will not remember about that smells again because of the benefit that you are seeing. You are going to be happy and you will love to do it more and more. So let's check and see onion also. So my people, let's check and see onion. Onion also is rich in sulfur, which is boosting collagen for faster hair growth, stimulating roof and reducing shedding. It also contains vitamin C and vitamin B6. So onion is very good. It's one of the best ingredients that I can tell you guys. You shouldn't be putting any joking or free. My main channel, when you go there, I have onion, so many things of about onion, because when I'm started using onion, I can say that for my hair growing journey, it was onion that I start to use. It was onion that I was using. So that is why I love onion, and because I know onion, there's a benefit of it. But if you add another garlic or another herbs into it, it's tend to be another different level. You are taking it to a different level again. That's why now you can see the way I'm there, because normally when I started it was only onion that I'm using, but now after mixing these things I see big changes. I know onion also is helping, but with adding these things also is making it different level again. So now after that you have to put it into water this way, replace it for double boil method for 30 to 40 minutes. You have to leave it, but you have to be coming, use your spoon, be stirring it, don't leave it like that and just leave it and go. So after that, after you 40 minutes time, you close it, allow the thing to get cool before you strain it, because otherwise you may hurt yourself, or your bottle even can break, because when it is hot and you are trying to strain it, you may hurt yourself. So always allow it get cool before you strain your oil. Okay, so let's check and see ginger also is stimulating scalp itchiness, okay, and also fighting dandruff and adding shining and preventing thinning hair. It also contains vitamin B5, okay, and antioxidant and magnesia. So ginger also is also one of the best ingredients. I'm going to tell you that whether you are adding to your racing tea or you are doing what. Okay guys, now after that I strain it and add my essential oils inside, and I put it inside here. So now it's time for me to put it inside my bottle and make it like room temperature, but I'm not going to put it in the microwave. I'm going to replace it in the water. In case if you don't have microwave and you are going to be thinking how you can do it, you can do it this way. Just make a hot water and replace it inside, allow it to get the room temperature. You don't need to be boiling your oil while you are making your hot oil treatment, please. No, like that. Just make it in the room temperature that your hand can take it or your scalp can take it, so that it will not hurt you, it will not affect you, okay, why you are saying you are doing hot oil treatment and burn yourself. Please be careful. So now, after that, also my leave in spray, also I replace it inside the water. I want that one also to get a little bit warm, so that I will use to hydrate my daughter hair first before apply the oil into her scalp. So please, if you come with me up to this point and you know that you haven't subscribed, please help me. So hit the subscription button. It's just a free of charge, and on the notification bell. Anytime when I come live or when I post video, YouTube they will notify you. So now, and also I'm going to mind you people, before you are doing it, try to make sure that your hair is clean, because yesterday I opened my daughter hair yesterday and the result even shocked me. Why? I'm because she was having the protective style when I'm doing the hot oil treatment to hair. So I open it, I see a big difference from my daughter hair. Every time when I just do it, I'm seeing a big changes, and this time around is another level. That oil helped me a lot. So I did the oil about 3 weeks ago or 1 month now. We I'm be using that oil, the same oil that I make again. I say okay, fine. Now it's time for me to bring it out here, because normally I love to taste something, to try something before bring it out. If I don't try something, I don't know how I'm going to explain to you people. I don't know how I can tell you people what is the benefit, because me myself I did not try it even. But if I try it, I know that it's working. Then I know people also can benefit something from it. Now even when I'm seeing my daughter hair, it's so amazing. Beginning, I used to think, oh, should I cut my daughter hair? Guys, sorry, I'm not feeling well, but I'm just trying to edit this video. Let me drink water and come. Okay, my people, let's continue. So the oils also I used to infuse the oil was olive oil and my avocado cold press oil. I did the avocado oil by myself. If you really want to learn how to make your own cold press avocado oil, that also the video is in my channel here. You can watch it from the not queen party princess hair care channel. You can see the video here and watch it. So olive oil and avocado oil is also moisturizing your hair, okay, it's deep moisturizing and protecting the hair from damaging, and also having vitamins E. It's also and also antioxidants. So these things, this powerful two oil is having when you are using in your hair. So I added lavender essential oil and mango essential oil. Mango essential oil is also adding softness to your hair, while lavender also is also promoting calm to your hair or your scalp, and protecting from your hair from damaging and growing your hair faster, your hair growing faster while you are using lavender essential oil. And also I added vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil also repairing damaging hairs. If your hair is damaged, you have damaging hair, you are using it, it's repairing the hair for you. So vitamin E oil also is one of something that I'm going to say, no matter what you are doing, always try to be using vitamin E oil. Is very good. So now, after that, now how you apply, I hope you guys are seeing. First, if your hair is dry, try to hydrate your hair first. After hydrating it, putting the oil, you have to start massaging the scalp. Start from the scalp to the tip, okay, because the hair growing or your hair coming out, yeah, the small hair is coming, beginning the beginning hair is coming from the scalp, not from the hair. So whatever that you are doing your treatment, always start from the scalp and come up. Okay, start from the scalp because it's very very important. Your scalp healthy is the most important. If you have a scalp, your scalp is healthy, definitely even there's nothing is going to be blocking your hair without growing. Your hair is already growing, but it's only that you need to take care. The hair needs to take care. If you are not taking care of it, you will grow your hair, but at the end of the day you are going all the hair is going to break again automatically because you are not taking care of your hair. For me, for example, my hair or my daughter hair, when I do the protective style, I always make sure that I make hot oil treatment and the hair mask. Okay, hot oil treatment and the hair mask before even I open her hair. So you don't need to say maybe because of you make your protective style, you don't want your hair to get dirty. Some people they even believe something that I don't know where they get that mind. They believe that when your hair you are not washing your hair, that one is growing your hair. My sister, that one is making your hair usable. It's making it useless because like your hair need to be washing at least while you are putting product into your hair. Always make sure every week you wash your hair very clean. Make sure you wash your hair very well every week because it's very very important. Your hair coming out, your hair growing is starting from your scalp. So this oil, when you apply it this way, after that also when you cover it, you can make it at overnight, maybe night you apply it, massage your scalp, cover yourself very well and go and sleep. In the morning, the next morning when you wake up, you can wash it, or you can make it 2 hours time you go and wash it. If you don't have time, quarter, at least 40 minutes to 1 hour, get that one for yourself and do it and go and wash it. But for me, I prefer to make it in the daytime. I don't want to do it while I'm sleeping, oil to come out. I don't know, because when you are sleeping you don't know what anything at all can happen. So when I prefer when I'm wake up, so that I make it whatever that I'm doing, I'll be doing my work and checking it. When it is time for me to go and take my shower, I go and wash it off. And my daughter too is the same thing. I always do it this way. Now it's her time for her to sleep. Her sleeping time, afternoon time is up. So when I finish, I'm going to pack her in my bag. So after packing her in my bag, she will sleep. I'll put her down for 3 hours, even she can sleep, or 2 hours. And after when she wake up, we go inside for me to wash her hair. That's what we are doing. So you also can do it that way, and it's also helping you also to protecting your hair. Always your hair is always going to be protecting. Your hair is always going to be healthier while you are doing hot oil treatment to your hair. Please support me. If you watch it up to this point, if you know that you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like and share for me. And don't forget, if you subscribe, you have to click the notification bell. Anytime when I upload new video, YouTube they will notify you for you to know that Princess and her mother is around. And also this channel is all about how to grow your natural hair healthier, or to take care of your children's hair. Because sorry guys, I have a two channel. One name is called Queen Padede, and this is Princess Haircare. So the Queen Padede channel also, please you can check up and see what I'm doing in that channel also. If you love what I'm doing in that place also, please you can support us both channel. Okay, thank you very much, it means a lot for me. My channel, the main channel, they hack it before. That make me to create this channel, even because of that channel was hacked and I created this one. So now both two channels that I'm holding going, I don't know how long or how it's going to be, but I know by the grace of Almighty Allah plus you people, because with me I cannot do it, but with you guys we can handle everything together. Now we finish everything. Look at my daughter, she's saying bye bye like that. She's feeling sleepy, this child, she's feeling sleepy. If she wants to say, she doesn't want even talking again. Sometimes talking is difficult. Look at what she's just doing like bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. She tell me that mama, let's go. I just want to go and sleep. I say she should send kiss. She's sending you guys kiss. Bye bye. We love you all.